Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the exercise 3.2 of the topic understanding quadrilateral. And children, in this exercise, the first question is find the value of x in the following figures. Here we have first part. This is the figure. Here this x is the exterior angle, and we have to find the value of this exterior angle, and we have two more exterior angles is given. That is this exterior angle, that is 125 degree, and the third exterior angle is what? 125 degree. Now children, recall the concept that the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is equals to 360 degree. We know that sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Children, remember, I have written a polygon. Here we have triangle. So doesn't matter whether it is triangle, whether it is quadrilateral, whether it is pentagon. The sum of all the exterior angles of the polygon is always 360 degree. Now children, we will add all these exterior angles. We get 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x. The sum is 360 degree. So we will add now 125 and this 125. It becomes 250 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. Now if we want to find the value of x, I am going to shift this 250 to right hand side. 360 degree minus 250 degree. Now it becomes x 360 minus 250. It becomes 110 degree. So the value of the third exterior angle, that is x, is 110 degree. Children, you can find any of the unknown exterior angle when other exterior angles were given. Now children, we will do one more part of this question. Look, the second part. B part now. Now here we have this value is x, this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is 70 degree. Now children, here we have to find the value of this exterior angle, that is x. Children, as we know that sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degree, whether it is pentagon, quadrilateral, hexagon, whatever. The sum of this x 70, x 90, 60 and this 90 is equal to 360 degree. So it becomes now 70 degree plus x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 is equals to 360 degree. Now children, add this 90 and 90. It becomes 180. And this 70 and this 60, it becomes 130. Now it's 0, 1, 310 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. And the value of x is equals to 360 minus 310 degree. It becomes, if we subtract 310 from this 360, we get 50 degree. So the value of this x, this exterior angle x is 50 degree. Now children, you can find the value of any unknown exterior angle by this concept. The sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. After this, children, we will do question number 2. Question number 2, children. Please listen carefully. Question number 2 is what? Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides and the 15 sides. A part is having 9 sides and B part is 15 sides. Now here, children, we have to find each exterior angle. Children, we know that each exterior angle of a polygon is equals to sum of all the exterior angles upon number of sides. So it becomes what? 360 degree upon 9, it becomes 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36 and 0 40. So each exterior angle of a polygon is 40 degree having 9 sides. Similarly, we can do this. Each exterior angle of a polygon formula is same, sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon divided by number of sides. So it becomes 360 degree upon 50. It becomes 24 degree. It becomes 24 degree if you divide 15 and this 360. So children, you will remember always, if we find each exterior angle, we will divide sum of all the exterior angles divided by number of sides. Similarly, if we find number of sides, we will divide sum of all the exterior angles by each exterior angle of a polygon. Now, third question is what? Now comes question number 3. And in the question number 3, what we have to do? Listen. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Now children, in this question what we have? We have an exterior angle. An exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. And we have to find number of sides. Number of sides. This is we have to find. Now children, we know that number of sides of any polygon is equals to sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon divided by each exterior angle. Now children, we know that sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon, whether it is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, the sum is always 360 degree. And exterior angle is given here 24 degree. Now children, we will divide this. If we divide 360 degree by 24, we will get 15. So children, here in this question, number of sides is 15. Number of sides is 15. Now children, after question number 3, we will do question number 4. So please listen. Question number 4 is what? How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Here children, what we have to do? Again we have to find number of sides again we have to find number of sides, but here we have what? Interior angle is given. Interior angle is given 165 degree. Now children, we know that the formula is what? Number of sides is equal to sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon divided by each exterior angle. So children, we know that the sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degree. But here we have interior angle. We don't have exterior angle. So children, remember always. Let us suppose we have a polygon like this. This is a polygon. And here we have 165 degree interior angle. So its exterior angle is, this is an exterior angle. So children, remember, see, this is a straight line and this is interior angle and this is exterior angle. So these two angles, interior and exterior, forms on a straight line. So children, we know that the pair of angles that is formed on a straight line adds up is equals to 180 degree. Exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair axiom or angle formed on a straight line is always 180 degree. Now exterior angle plus interior angle is 165 degree equals to 180 degree. So here exterior angle is equals to 180 degree minus 165 degree. Now if we subtract 165 from 180, we get 15 degree. Now this is what? Exterior angle. Now substitute here 15 degree. Now we can divide 15 ones and 15 24. We get 24 sides. Here we have 24 sides if an interior angle is 165 degree. So children, always remember, if interior angle is given, we have to follow this concept. Exterior angle plus interior angle is equals to 180 degree, and from this we can find the exterior angle. Then we will divide 360 by an exterior angle. We get number of sides. Now children, after this, children, question number 5 and question number 6 do on book. Do on book at home. Question number 5 and 6 do on book at home. So children, this is exercise 3.2. In the next class, we will learn exercise 3.3. Thank you very much.